Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do our new concept, not a concept but a thing that you should know, and that is very important for your English grammar and your grammar skills. So today we are going to do 12 synonyms of lazy. Now, what do you mean by lazy? Lazy, I think most of you know what is lazy. Means the one who do not do anything and avoid things to do. मतलब एक तरह से आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हो सुस्त. Means the person who don't want to do any work. वो बस घर पे बैठा बैठा something like couch potato. Okay, if you know what is couch potato. Means घर पे ही रहते, टीवी देखता रहता है और काउच पे सोफे पे बैठा रहता है. मीन्स कुछ नहीं करता वो दिन भर. दैट इज कॉल्ड लेजी. मीन्स जो बाकी काम करने के लिए अवॉइड करता है. लाइक लेट्स टेक अ लाइव एग्जाम्पल, नहीं बट एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम योर डेली रूटीन. Sometimes many of you, if your parents ask you to fill your water bottles or fill water bottles, so most of you don't fill that. Most of the students are agreeing with me, okay, because I do the same also. So I am just saying, the 12 synonyms of lazy मतलब जो काम को टालते हैं. The one who extend the work or delay the work, doing procrastination. ओके जो काम को डिले करते हैं और कुछ नहीं करते. अगर उनको बोलो कि पानी की बॉटल भरो तो वो नहीं भरेंगे कि आप खुद ही भर दो. मतलब लेजी, कुछ नहीं करना चाहते, बैठे रहना चाहते हैं. ओके, सो 12 सिनोनिम्स ऑफ लेजी. नाउ लेजी का तो आपको पता चल गया कि हमें लेजी का करना है, तो लेजी आपको पता चल गया. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सिनोनिम्स? सिनोनिम्स अगर आपने हिंदी में पढ़ा हो तो सिनोनिम्स आर समानार्थी शब्द. ओके, आई थिंक यही बोलते हैं उसको हिंदी में. मीन्स सिनोनिम्स लाइक अगर मैं बोलूँगी कुछ वर्ड और उस दूसरे वर्ड का भी मतलब सही वही हो, ओके, सिनोनिम हो. लाइक समथिंग लाइक पर्यायवाची ऑल्सो. लाइक इफ हम अगर बोलते हैं कि इंडोलेंट को छोड़ो, ये तो लेजी का है. अगर हम बोलें कि रात का पर्यायवाची क्या हो, तो मोस्ट ऑफ यू छोड़ो रात का तो वैसे निशा और राकेश तो चंद्रमा होता है, तो निशा होती है रात का, और रात का रजनी टाइप कुछ ऐसा भी होता है. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर दैट. बट अगर हम आँखों का देखें, आँखों का पर्यायवाची क्या होता है? नेत्र. ओके, नेत्र होते हैं, लोचन होते हैं. सो आँखों के पर्यायवाची ये होते हैं. मतलब the word which are similar to that word, means the meanings are almost similar but the words are different. means lazy का मतलब भी तो indolent है, बट indolent भी हम lazy की जगह पे lazy को रिप्लेस करके हम indolent यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, सिमिलरली आइडल को यूज़ करके भी हम लेजी को रिप्लेस करके भी हम आइडल लिख सकते हैं. सो दीज आर सम वर्ड्स दैट यू कैन रिप्लेस. means you can write these words instead of lazy, because lazy is a very regular word. means everyone used to do this. lazy, he is a lazy person, इसको कुछ नहीं करना, ये lazy रहता है. एंड अगर आप उन sentences में अगर आप indolent, idle, slothful, and I will tell you more about, because I have written 12. means because that's why I will be telling you 12, so you can use that 12 words instead of lazy. That will increase your vocabulary and grammar skills. And you should know these words. There are many words that are synonyms of this, but I am just telling you 12 only. I have seen in many videos people are just making 5 synonyms of lazy, but you should know more. So I am making 12, okay? Or you can search it from Google also, or somewhere else, when or teacher, you can ask from teacher or any book, anything. So I'm just telling you 12 synonyms of lazy. आपको पता चल गया synonyms क्या होते हैं. मीन्स जिसके समानार्थी शब्द भी बोल सकते हैं, पर्यायवाची भी बोल सकते हैं. आई हैव टोल्ड यू एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ पर्यायवाची ऑल्सो, कि रात का भी तो सॉरी आँखों का हम नेत्र भी बोलते हैं, आलोचन भी बोलते हैं, वैसे ही हम लेजी को इंडोलेंट भी बोल सकते हैं, आइडल भी बोल सकते हैं, स्लॉथफुल भी बोल सकते हैं, एंड मैनी वर्ड्स आर देयर. So I hope you understand this, the meaning of word synonym and meaning of word lazy. So now let's get into the 12 synonyms. So first synonym is indolent. Indolent. Indolent is also known as lazy. Means yes, जो भी मैं word लिख रही हूँ वो सारे जो हैं वो synonyms हैं lazy के. Indolent means you can say indolent का मतलब जो काम को अवॉइड करता है. These all words are related to avoiding some things. Means wanting to avoid activity or exertion. Means avoid करना काम को. Okay, किसी काम को अवॉइड करना, दैट्स कॉल्ड इंडोलेंस. मीन्स लेजी पर्सन भी तो यही करते हैं. अगर मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया था पानी की बॉटल का, सो पानी की बॉटल उसने नहीं भरी, उसने लेजी पनी तो दिखाया दैट ही विल नॉट बी गोइंग टू फिल दैट बॉटल. सो इंडोलेंट मीन्स अवॉइडिंग डूइंग वर्क. ओके, so that's called indolent, and I hope you understand the meaning of indolent also, and this is the synonym of lazy. So today whatever I will be telling you, 12 names, whichever and whatever 12 names I will be telling you, you can use that words instead of lazy, but you should know कि हमें कब उसको यूज करना है, whether we have to use in this sentence or in that sentence. You have to figure out at on your own. So first is indolent, that I have told you, and second one is idle. Okay, now there are two types of idle. Okay, one is this one and one is this that I have told you. Now what's the difference between these also I will be telling you. First you should know that idle जो है वो lazy का synonym है. Okay, and idle means avoid work or lazy, means similarly to this only, avoid work or lazy. Indolent, idle, lazy, these all are synonyms of each other. So now what's the difference between idle and idle? Let me tell you. So the word idle means, first idle का तो मैंने आपको बता दिया that it is the synonym of lazy. Means the meaning is almost lazy, means who don't do any work, the person who don't do much work and is idle. And it is used, this idle is used as an adjective also, because if we will be writing in sentence, so like Ram is an idle person, means he is a lazy person. So idle का simple meaning हो जाएगा lazy. These are homophones. These both are homophones. Now what is homophones? Let me write this clearly. Homophones are words which are similar in their pronunciation but their meanings are different. Okay, homophones. So homophones means the words which have similar pronunciation but have different meaning. Like इसको भी हम आइडल बोलते हैं एंड इसको भी हम आइडल बोलते हैं. ओके, हम इसको इडली तो नहीं बोलते. इडली की स्पेलिंग आपको पता होगा, IDLI, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल प्रोनाउंस इट एज इडली, बिकॉज IDLE, इडली, बिकॉज ई है ना लास्ट में. बट IDLI होता तो हम इडली प्रोनाउंस करेंगे. दिस इज आइडल एंड दिस वर्ड इज ऑल्सो प्रोनाउंस्ड एज आइडल. So these both are homophones. Like let me tell you some examples of homophones like sun and sun. Now what is that sun? One is sun and second is sun. Both of these are also homophones. Sun means the sun in the solar system वाला sun जो हमें दिखता है, that produces radiations. And sun means sun मतलब a भाई, ब्रदर, सन, लाइक मम्मी पापा का बेटा means beta, sun. You all know what is sun and what is sun. Sun is in the solar system and sun like brother of someone or son. So I hope you understand this also. There are many homophones. Okay, not just one, there are many homophones which where the pronunciation is same but the meaning is different. Here also pronunciation is same, idle, idle, but meanings are different. This is used as adjective or verb. Lazy, idle. Idle का simply meaning है lazy. And this idle, if you know, many of the teachers asked who is your idol. आपका idol कौन है? मतलब we give that representation of that person as a comparison with God. We do comparison, means we will be using simile here. Okay, direct comparison हम करते हैं God से. Okay, simile is a figure of speech or part of speech, whatever you can say, or poetic device. There are many synonyms of this only: figure of speech, parts of speech, not parts of speech, figure of speech, and you can say poetic devices. These, both of these are also synonyms. So here idol is a noun. Idol is a noun because it represents a person. Like most of your teacher ask, most teachers asked what is who is your idol, means आप किसकी तरह admire, मतलब आप किसको admire करते हो, आप किसको follow करते हो. Okay, like some people follow APJ Abdul Kalam's their sayings, their words, their works. Some people copy that or some people do that. Okay, but here same is with idol here, because the meaning is same. I have given you example of idol. कुछ तो इनको, कुछ आइडल को हम गॉड भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, लाइक हम उन्हीं को, उनको भी तो एडमायर करते हैं, लाइक शिव जी एंड विष्णु जी एंड सरस्वती माता, एंड देर आर मैनी गॉड्स. ओके, सो द वन हु एडमायर, जिसको आप एडमायर करते हो, जो अच्छे लगते हैं. आई हैव टोल्ड यू one word for this also in my words for the week video, so you can check out that also for this. So idol जो है वो एडजेक्टिव और नाउन, एडजेक्टिव और वर्ब के लिए यूज होता है, जिसका मतलब लेजी है. आइडल जिसको हम एडमायर करते हैं. काफ़ी टीचर्स पूछते हैं कि आप किसको आपका आइडल कौन है. तो सम पीपल सेज माय आइडल इज APJ अब्दुल कलाम, सम सेज माय आइडल इज ऑड्री हेबन. ऑड्री हेबन इज अ स्टार इन हॉलीवुड, आई गेस. And so there are many idols of different persons have different idol. Some admire Sachin Tendulkar, some admire MS Dhoni, some not just cricketers only. There are many people who like Helen Keller. Many people admire many people. Okay, means most of the people admire many people like who are successful. Okay, so idol and idol, I hope you understand the difference between idol and idol. So this is the synonym of these two are synonyms of lazy. And I have in side by side I have told you the concept of homophones also, and the difference between idle and idle. Slothful is also used as a word to represent lazy. Okay, these all words are synonyms of lazy. मतलब आप इसको synonyms की जगह use कर सकते हो. So let me write another 3-4 examples also of lazy. So I hope you understand these three examples. Third one is slothful. Okay, now let's write fourth one, fifth one. So fourth one is, let me write it first. So you can write inactive also, means the one who is not active. ये तो आपको word से ही पता चल रहा है. And this is also example synonym of lazy. Inactive हो गया. Now you can write lethargic, sluggish. Let me write this clearly. Sluggish, lethargic. These both also synonyms of lazy. And you can say listless. Okay, and you can also write inert. Let me write more also, torpid. And the 10th one you can write shiftless. shiftless. So here are 10 words. 2 I will write on the next after erasing these. So these are some more synonyms of lazy. Inactive का आपको पता चल रहा है, जो active ना हो means he is simply lazy person. And the next one is sluggish. Sluggish is also lacking energy or alertness, means energy बहुत कम है, lack करती है. The person who has lacked in energy and he is not energetic and alert भी नहीं है वो, that's also come under sluggish, means synonym of lazy. Lethargic is also similar to lazy. Listless, lazy. Listless is who don't do work and बैठा रहता है ऐसे ही. These all are synonyms of lazy only. Inert, inert भी lazy का ही वो है synonym, means lacking the ability or strength to move, मतलब वो हिलना डुलना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. inert, lacking the lack करते हैं उनके अंदर ability और चलने की strength, lacking and strength to move. And torpid also similar to lazy. These all words are similar to lazy, means synonyms of lazy. You can use these words instead of lazy because lazy is very boring words nowadays. So you can use torpid, sluggish, lethargic. These three are very interesting. Okay, means these, if you will use these three words in your sentence, okay, this sluggish, lethargic and torpid, then you can get good impressions. You can make good impressions on other also. Shiftless also characterized by laziness, indolence and lack of ambition. Okay, ambition भी नहीं है, मतलब कोई goal ही नहीं है. So shiftless, lazy person. These all are synonyms of lazy only. So let's move on to the next next some synonyms of lazy. I have more than two. I think I should tell more also. So 11th word is lackadaisical. Lackadaisical. Okay, so this is one very interesting word that you can use. Okay, because most people don't know this word. So this is exclusive in my video. So you can use this word lackadaisical. Okay, lackadaisical, decical. Okay, lackadaisical. You can pronounce these words by breaking these words. Like you can break words. Okay, like this word is lackadaisical, means you all know what is lack, मतलब किसी की चीज़ की कमी होना, lack होना, means lack को आप एक पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दो. lack आर्टिकल आरडी फोर पार्ट्स में हमने डिवाइड कर दिया. लैक आरडी सिकल मीन्स यू कैन राइट लैक अडाई एंड सिकल. So this can be its three parts from this word only. Then you can join these words and you can pronounce it well. Okay, lackadaisical means now let me erase this. आप इसको लैका तक ले लो बिकॉज इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऐसी है जिसमें आपको लैकाडेसिकल. ओके, सो मैं ए को यहाँ से रिमूव करके यहाँ पे ऐड कर रही हूँ. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट लैकाडेसिकल मीन्स लैकाडेसिकल. सो दिस इज द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ लैकाडेसिकल मीन्स लैका. पहले आप लैका को कट कर दो, रिमूव कर दो यहाँ से, फिर देन डाई को रिमूव कर दो and then you can remove sickle. So this is the pronunciation of this. This also means synonyms of lazy only, means lackadaisical. Now let's move on to the next example, that is enervated. Let me write this correctly. Now the 11th word I have already told you, lackadaisical, and the 12th word is enervated. This is also the synonym of lazy. So enervated, and the meaning is also same like drained of energy or vitality, means similarly there is no energy, no excitement in his body behavior, body structure, means he is completely lazy. Then you can use this enervated meaning word also, enervated, lackadaisical. Okay, this is the pronunciation of this above word. Okay, enervated. Okay, so I have completed my words, that is 12 synonyms of lazy. Now there are more also synonyms of lazy only. Let me write more also. Means 12 is completed. But if you want to know, then I am just writing in bracket, writing in this box. You can note down also if you want to do it down. Otherwise, these 12s are also sufficient for you. So you can use word like plodding, plodding. Okay, this word is also means like slow moving and unexciting. Similarly lazy, वो slow ही तो करेगा सारे काम. So plodding means lazy. Okay, and you can use words like good for nothing. I'm just not writing, or I should write good for nothing. I'm just telling you this good for nothing because one word is there, but there is like this word is good for nothing. So I have written. If you want to note down, then you can note down, or you can leave this also. So I have to I'm telling you flooding, good for nothing, and there are more also. Like I have tell you indolent, idle, slothful, shiftless, inactive, inert, sluggish, lethargic, listless, torpid, enervated, plodding, good for nothing, lackadaisical. So these are some examples. These are some synonyms of lazy. So you can note down these two also if you want. Otherwise, these 12 are also sufficient. So if you like my video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for all the new updates for my new videos. Thank you.